the choke. Before you go and order a new door handle or rip your door down, do something stupid, watch right here. If you take this door handle and when we twist it, you can see that latch isn't going in all the way. So you're going to unscrew your door from the inside. You'll have screws on the inside, and then you're also going to have to pop your latch out. There's going to be a couple screws and clips on the latch as well, and then you'll be able to remove your handle. Now these door latch assemblies, they're in here pretty tight, so you might have to do some prying to get it out. I've kind of worked this one out already. Now they've kind of helped you out with the new latch. They've kind of given you this little plastic thing here. You can pop that off if you want, but that's to help you know which side is going to go. You can see that little divot right there, which will go in there. So now I took that plastic piece off and I'm sliding this in. Okay, so now I have that pushed in there, and now I'm going to start putting the door handle in. Then it comes with 4 small screws, a little plastic cap, and then a larger screw. Next you're going to put your deadbolt in, and then you're going to put that larger screw there, and then in the same spot on the top you're going to put that plastic clip, and in the very top you're going to put the small screw and then another small screw. Get those all tightened down. So next we're going to put our handle on. You're going to want your handle so it's in on the door. If you have it straight down and then you try to open it, it's going to twist into the doorway. So the handle should be coming straight out. Slide that in. And now that you have the handle, and you're just going to come to the interior of the door. You're going to put that little interior plate on. Next, you should have 2 large screws. We're just going to put these screws in here, and we're going to screw those into the back side of that door handle. And then another trick when you're doing this is to have this coming out, and then you can poke your screw. You can actually see where your screw is, and you can get it to line into the back of that door handle. Next, we're going to be putting our handle on. We're going to have this face in towards the door as well. Then when you bought that latch, you're going to get an Allen wrench, and you're going to see that there's an Allen screw here that's going to tighten the handle up. We're going to tighten that now. And then here's where we'd be done. We're going to take the handle and we're going to pull it down, and you can see it's going all the way in now, where it was only going in about this far originally with the old one. So now it goes all the way in, we'll be able to open the door. So we would be done, but like I said, here's where if I wanted to mention something to my wife, we could start a fight. And I have to put this all back together. Scratches on the door. Yeah.